Wanda's dishwasher quit working, so she called a repairman. Since she had to go to work the next day, she told the repairman, "I'll leave the key under the mat, fix the dishwasher, leave the bill on the counter, and I'll mail you a cheque. By the way, don't worry about my dog Spike. He won't bother you. But whatever you do, do not, under any circumstances, talk to my parrot. I must stress to you, do not talk to my parrot." When the repairman arrived at Wanda's apartment the following day, he discovered the biggest, meanest looking dog he had ever seen. But just as she had said, the dog just lay there on the carpet, watching the repairman go about his work. The parrot, however, drove him nuts the whole time with the incessant yelling, cursing and name-calling. Finally, the repairman couldn't contain himself any longer and yelled, "Shut up, you stupid, ugly bird!" To which the parrot replied, "Get him, Spike." See, men just don't listen.